Hey guys, how you doing? I'm down in my backyard and I'm looking for some snakes. Can't see any around, so I thought I'd draw one. I'm going to draw Maddie from Back to the Outback. And hey Lydia, thanks for your suggestion. I'm going to start with an oval shape, almost a circle, but an oval shape for the head. Now she's going to be cute, so she's going to be, watch this, she's going to be wrapped, come down here. This is her body. Obviously, she's a cool snake from the movie. Now we're going to do something really cool, and that's going to be where she is got her tail underneath her chin like so. So this is her tail, and it's like she's got her head resting on her tail. So that's going to come down around. So this is the first part of her body. Now we've got to work out how that's going to go. So this is going to come around like this, and then it's going to tuck up in behind. So now to get that, we just got to put a line here, bring it around, and we've got to bring this line around as well. So this is part of her body, comes around, and we can get that all looking good when we shade. And now she's wrapped up again, so we've got another little wrap around like that. So she's wrapped herself up. This is her head and her neck coming down, which would then sort of flow into this part, and then she's wrapped herself up and got her head resting on there. Now, did you know that Maddie is an inland taipan, also known as a fierce snake, one of the most venomous snakes in Australia, mainly found out in the arid deserts. Here on the sunny coast, we get eastern browns, and I've actually had one in my backyard. Unfortunately, I can't find any today. I'm just going to draw because she's looking that way, I've got a construction line there and a construction line here. The reason we're doing that is because we see more of this side of her face than the other side. So now this helps me get where the eye is going to sit. It's going to sit in here like so. And she's got some nice eyelash coming off there like that. She's got her eye, and then her head comes around. So this part of her head comes around, that sort of sits in a socket there. Let's do it with pen. I'm going to use a 0.3 multi-liner so you guys can see it better. So it comes around like so. And that's her eye, sits in there. She's got her eye, and that's her eyeball. So this is going to be all fairly dark. She's got purple eyes with a yellow part there. Nice use of complementary colours by the artist. And then this comes around. She's got a couple of nostrils, one there, and she's got a big smile. We'll put the big smile on. And this does actually come up and around, and then comes back through there. And then this is her other eye, sits in here. And this is a big curve, so it curves up and around like so. And because her eye is she's looking this way, we need to put her eye in here. So another curve, another big curve there, and another curve in here like this. And this time we're going to have a little white reflection dot in there, and we might just do one there as well. That's like to show which way she's looking. And she has beautiful, beautiful eyelashes. So let's put a little eyelash coming out there. And this is her other eyelash over this side. You see more of that one. Now she's got this little bump in her head. So we've got to go around like so. Brings it in, brings it up, and then brings it around like this. And then bring her cheek around. Make that a bit flatter along the bottom. Bring this around like this. The colouring will make a big difference. Now we're going to sit her tail. Bring the tail around, bring that down. Curve this around. Oops. Curve it around. This is where we can make any changes we like with the pen. And that comes in there, and then there's just a little line that looks like this. Pop that in there, and we can do some shading in there to make that look great. Head coming off. Neck, sorry, should I say, coming off her head. Through there, and then this is where she's sitting. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to just put a little bit of a thicker outline around. Keep watching the video because I've got an awesome photo montage of all the Back to the Outback characters that I've drawn. Hope you had a great time drawing today's video. If you want to check out some of the other Back to the Outback characters, check them out here. Hey Lydia, thanks for your suggestion on drawing Maddie. Hey guys, comment below who your favourite Back to the Outback character is.